Presenting the HP NB255G8 laptop 15.6-inch. It comes with storage, 1TB HDD and memory, 8GB DDR4 2400 MHz RAM, 1x8GB. It has 39.6 cm diagonal, HD, narrow bezel, anti-glare, 250 nits, 45% NTSC. It features camera, 720p HD camera, one headphone/microphone combo and audio, stereo speakers, integrated digital microphone. It also features one HDMI 1.4b and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 combo. Ports, 2 super speed USB Type-A 5 Gbps signaling rate and networking, Realtek AT822C802.11a/b/g/n/AC, 2x2. The delivery box contains user guide and laptop, manuals and AC adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.